Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another tutorial. Today I'm creating a scrapbook page with my oldest son, Trip. I would like to document how he has really started losing all of his baby teeth. So I'm going to keep it very simple and make it just as quickly as I can. Sometimes I am limited on my time, and this is a perfect project. I like this photograph of him. I got him in a moment to where he was able to show me that he got his tooth out, and the keyword is out. So that's my focus for my scrapbook project. I'm going to pull the colors for the project from the photograph. The photograph has a nice left-handed shadow, which in real life, the photograph of him is really stunning. And I want to play off of all of those shadow colors, and then his shirt is blue. So the blue and gray tones are going to be my focus colors. This is a small piece, like a snippet of paper from some new paper from the Stampin' Up! Catalog that is called Delightfully Detailed Laser Cut Paper. This paper is different in the respect that die cuts are cut away from cardstock typically, and they are definitely more hardy and thick. But this paper is so intricately cut, and it's really nice, thin, pliable paper that I'm not sure that my Thinlits dies would be able to do something like this as intricate and have it be as nicely cut out as it is. And I like the idea of not having to go to my die cuts or my Thinlits dies and just be able to use this for any purpose. So I've used a nice balmy blue, called balmy blue actually, and smoky slate, and mixed these colors together so that they will complement the photograph. I'm also using a texturizing stamp from Artistic Impressions. I think that's the name. I'll have to double check again, and I will list all of the products in the video description. But this is like a little series of road track marks almost, and it's going to give some texture to an otherwise very flat project. I'll attach this laser cut portion with some snail adhesive strategically placed in a few spots. That's going to be just enough to hold it down because it is extremely delicate. It could also tear away really easy. So I am worried about that in a respect, but this is going to go inside of a 12 by 12 sheet protector, so I feel confident that the sheet will be able to stand up very well. So I've added another piece to the opposite side to be able to carry around. I wasn't sure what kind of a theme would be able to go with this photograph, and I struggled with that a little bit. But these little laser cut images remind me of gears, and the gears remind me of things turning, and that reminds me of how my child is getting older and time is passing. So those circular images, I thought just kind of, they say 6 degrees of separation between your thoughts. So it led me from one to another, and this is what I came up with. So out is the theme, is the key word, because all his teeth that are baby teeth are all coming out. And it seems like it's one right after the other. I did finish the project off with some small pearls placed around, and I thought that would be appropriate since pearly whites are your teeth. Thank you so much for stopping and taking the time to watch this video project. If you have any questions, I would love to help by answering them in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.